Hey, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal donation button to your YouTube channel. So we're going to open up our YouTube channel and then we are going to open up our PayPal account. Now, depending on the region that you have opened your PayPal account, you're going maybe to see a donation button creation right there from, for example, here, request money. You can go ahead and click on request money and then you're going to select the type. You're going to get a lot of types here, but in my case, since it is not available, we are going to go around the corner to create that button. So we're going to head over the quick access, click on pay links and buttons. From here, we are going to head over here. As you can see, we are going to put a certain product, for example, or a digital product. We are going to have a payment link or QR code or payment button. If we are going to put it in a YouTube channel, it is going to be a link. And then we are going to transform it into a button on YouTube. Then we're going to put the name and description. For example, we are going to put here donation. And we're going to put the description if needed. And then for the price, this is the trick. We are going to click on the drop down menu and select customer set price. So it is going to be up to the customers since it is going to be a type of donation. Then we can go ahead and add an illustration or image to showcase our maybe the donation goal or the objective. You can have here the more options like customer note, product IDs, and etc. And after that, you're going to click on build it. So label for the amount, we're going to put here donate. Let's see. We're going to click on here and the link is ready. So what we're going to do here is to copy that link, head over our YouTube channel, and then we're going to open up our channel. So we are going to click on view our channel. Then we are going to put the button into the customize channel. So here, either you're going to put it into the bio of the channel or you're going to put it in the description of the videos. It is going to be very simple. I'm going to put it as a button on the channel details. Click on customize channel and then we're going to wait for the YouTube Creator Studio to show up. So we're going to see the profile and we're going to scroll down until we're going to see the channel URL. So this is the channel URL. We're going to have links. We're going to add a link. We're going to put the link and we are going to name it donation like that. And boom, this is our link. Now we're going to click on publish and here you go. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.